Looking to land your dream job? AI tools are here to help you write better resumes, practice interviews, and boost your chances of getting hired. In today's video, we'll show you the top AI tools every job seeker needs. Welcome to AI Expert Reviews, where we bring you the latest AI tools to boost your career. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Rezi, an AI-powered tool that helps job seekers craft resumes optimized for success. If you've ever wondered if your resume is getting lost in the shuffle, Rezi ensures it's ATS-friendly, meaning it passes through those applicant tracking systems that most companies use. Here's how Rezi works. It tailors your resume to fit specific job descriptions by analyzing keywords, fixing errors, and even generating bullet points for you. Plus, its real-time feedback on your resume format, thanks to the Rezi score, keeps you on track. If you got a lot of applications to juggle, Rezi lets you easily manage and customize multiple versions of your resume. It's got templates and a simple design that make the process super easy. Next, let's talk about Grammarly, your personal writing assistant that helps you craft flawless resumes and cover letters. Grammarly doesn't just catch typos and grammar mistakes, it also helps you brainstorm, rewrite awkward sentences, and even adjust the tone of your documents to sound more confident and professional. Got a cover letter to write? Grammarly can generate one based on your job description. Plus, its readability scores help you keep things clear and concise. With Grammarly's templates and resume objective generator, your job application is bound to leave a lasting impression. Now, let's move on to Interview AI, a game changer when it comes to interview prep. It simulates real mock interviews and gives you personalized feedback on everything from your tone to the clarity of your answers. No more guessing if you nailed your response. Interview AI highlights exactly where you can improve. Think of it as a coach that's available 24/7, helping you fine-tune your skills until you're interview-ready. And of course, we can't forget about LinkedIn, a platform that is embracing AI to make your job search even smoother. LinkedIn now offers AI-driven suggestions to optimize your profile and improve networking opportunities. Whether it's crafting personalized in-mail messages or creating better job descriptions for recruiters, AI is making sure you stand out. The platform even gives you writing tips for your about and headline sections, all based on your skills and experience. And if you're a fan of learning and growth, LinkedIn's AI-powered collaborative articles let you dive into insights from experts, promoting knowledge sharing and professional development. It's the perfect way to stay ahead of the curve. That's a wrap. 4 AI tools to help you write better resumes, ace interviews, and land your dream job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips from AI Expert Reviews.